Niggas, every
father. That's what they call them.
Yo, man, we are Florida Reactions. We back again, man, to react to the Fires videos on YouTube, man. You know what time it is, man. Listen, I got my boys with me, man. Y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
We got Aaron The Plumber, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know who Buddy is. They told me to react.
Die without his respect. Put him on.
Don't even know, man.
Stop.
You ain't been going viral? Man, Buddy the fade master, nigga. Shit, man, Buddy the fade master, man. Shit, did a fade you right now just for you not knowing him.
Gives Piper a little love tap on his face. The motherfucker didn't even flinch. So how hard could the hit have even been? Like, you're a big ass fucking turtle man. So why the
shit. He started from the pop balloon challenge. And then he went on. Then he did Erica Mena show. And
we just like to fight. No, put on an Aaron The Plumber. Y'all understand it's 445. You can't be fighting.
No shit, man. Well, that's what he doing, bringing the fades back, and that's what I love about it though, because niggas do not know how to fade. Niggas be scary. Niggas don't know. Man, niggas don't be wanting that shit for real.
25 niggas do not fade.
I feel you.
Stop.
This is crazy. You know.
Yeah, it is shit, man. But bro brought the fades back.
I just don't understand, baby.
God damn it, I'm
Why
trying
couldn't you kiss me on the
cheek?
baby,
Now them Cali
niggas don't embrace me with some love.
Real
I feel lower than the ass.
That's from Cali?
Yeah.
You gonna stop at national television?
Nigga, he was in
He
jail.
was a squabble, Squabble and fade are two different things. You gotta ask him what squabble means. I know what fade means.
Same shit, bro. I swear to God. It is. It literally is. It literally is the same shit as a fight. You get thumped up either way, nigga.
You want to squabble?
It is, nigga. I ain't no money.
The only thing is, man, okay, he said, man, we fade.
Where it is, my hat
like Bandman
we
Keyboard.
gone. Everything gone.
A swole Bandman Keyboard.
Oh, God.
Kind of embarrassed. I am feeling bad.
You see how women do it?
That nigga
Bro,
fought a
you got
transgender.
knocked out. Chuck out
Bro, that nigga duffed that, bro. That nigga duffed his ass the fuck up.
He fought a fucking train, bro.
Bro, that nigga duffed his ass the fuck up, bro. That nigga duffed his ass the fuck up, bro.
But I did see a video. Yeah,
I'm a licensed plumber. Thank you. You did me a favor.
Yeah, this what he started.
Also, my eyes are up here, baby. Are you looking at me?
I wasn't looking at you. I was looking at the hair on your arm.
I don't like your whole tone.
Huh, man.
That nigga was crying because he couldn't get his rematch.
Man, you want to let that be enough, bro? What not
Yeah,
tripping?
that nigga was
What the fuck you want to do? What the fuck you want to do? Come on. Because I can bring the man out, nigga. I can bring the man out, nigga.
You got to go back.
Something happened with Erica Mena. So when I seen she walked in, I was more fired up. I'm trying to catch another fade, you know, in front of baby.
I'm talking to his post ass set up. He would have knocked the good ass loose in that bitch.
Yeah, full screen on this joint.
Pipe to pipe.
He's out
here fucking these hoes.
Yeah, right now.
That nigga look like 12-year-old me, dog. I swear to God, I'd be quick to come on my trip, but ready to fight. What? You don't want to fight? What's happening?
Bring this nigga ass. Fuck it. It is what it is. But bring this nigga, man. Never been. No,
that's what I need. My money. I need that money, bro. That money is a rematch.
Get back.
I'm telling you, she put this lip gloss on my lip.
Flash out.
Yeah, man.
You said you wanted some lip gloss.
Yeah, babe.
You said you wanted some lip gloss.
Your lip.
Yeah. Ooh.
I want off your lip.
You didn't brush
sit
your
next to you, baby. You know, I want to sit next to a bum.
I'm the closer, and I'm sitting across from Aaron. He's sitting there with his hot ass breath.
No, it's crazy because he really is, bro. He got
it. He is. No, he is. He really likes to train plumber.
My face melted my makeup off. And I'm like, damn, bitch, you need some men.
You know, don't turn me on. You need some deodorant.
You know, that nigga clients be saying that nigga all over the internet like, bro, I never do business with this motherfucker again, dog.
Give me a put it on my tongue. Do it on camera, too.
Bria just fed this big ass nigga a peppermint. Like, what the fuck is really going on?
It just did not work. I didn't feel like I had chemistry or I wasn't fully attracted to you. And I feel like that counts if we are going to be going through a dating show, you know?
Yes, the feeling is definitely mutual. So that's okay. Thank you. You did me a favor.
You know, sure. And I was she's someone that you type.
You always want to call this bitch.
Really my type. I mean,
got
be disrespectful,
No,
you know, but if I see you in public, I wouldn't reach out to you.
Totally fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If I see you in public, I wouldn't reach out to you.
Arrogant. A little bit.
Yes.
Yeah. Just that.
Well, voicing my opinion is
hey,
not
women
arrogant,
do not like that
you know?
shit, dog. Because a lot of women look like
fit for
you
me.
expecting
If
like
I like
a lot
what I
of
see,
guys to just
you
like
know, it's contrary to
get
the
on them
truth.
for some fucking
So
reason. So
that's
when
all
a
I
nigga
can do
come
is just state what I
at
see.
their ass with shit like this,
That's
dog,
not
it'd be
a good look
he
for me.
gay.
That's all,
You
Queen.
don't like women.
But
Nah,
thank you. You did me a favor as well.
Period. I got my ass whooped. You know what I'm saying, bro? Drop me. Y'all not letting me get my paper, bro. I'm a motherfucking gangster, bro. I can't sleep at night like this. Period.
Paper, bro.
Period. I can't sleep like this at night with a loss on my mind. Let me get my motherfucking paper. You niggas didn't come here looking for love, nigga. I'm fighting for it, nigga. Oh God, come on. Get this nigga, bro. And if I take another L, fuck it. It is what it is. But bring this nigga, man. I can't sleep like this, bro.
So he can't
For real,
sleep
this shit got a nigga dropping
nigga
tears,
look
nigga.
at you,
That shit hurt.
Yeah, I ain't
I
gonna
got
lie.
the pride, bro. Let me get my
I
motherfucking
can't sleep
paper.
with a nigga with me neither.
Period. Fuck
I ain't
that
gonna lie. I
shit.
ain't gonna lie,
I
dog.
gotta go outside and like bust you in the ass up and get my anger off, bitch.
Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, bro. My pride hurt, nigga.
Period. Nigga, Eric over there talking about that lying and shit. Fuck, I got a lie for it. Nigga, I'm gonna shake your ass. Period.
Hey, man, dog, just like what we were talking about last week, bro.
Nah,
Getting
for
knocked
sure,
out in
man.
front of you. All right, boy.
For
I
sure,
wish a
man.
motherfucker would.
Listen, so how y'all feel about Aaron Plumber, bro?
Oh man,
Y'all fucking with him?
nah, man,
Yeah,
shut up, man.
bro.
I'm gonna say it on camera.
It's
Yeah,
more shit we ain't really
fucking with my
seen.
dog.
That
If
nigga got some moments, bro. He got
shit,
some moments, bro.
I ain't gonna say nothing out the way. He said just in case niggas want to fade, it don't matter though. You know.
For sure, man. We are Florida Reacts, man.
Yes,
That's
sir.
right.